Hi everybody, it's Brenda Wirth from Highland Press. I'd like to invite you to do a nature face or a self-portrait made out of items that you might have collected outside. Some of the things I have here in front of me are Osage orange balls, some leaves and grasses, rocks, pebbles, feathers, shells, what some of you call bamboo, although its real name is horsetail rush, seed pods, acorns, walnuts, pine needles, pine cones, and sticks. Hi, I hope you enjoyed the process of making a nature face. This has been a long tradition at Highland Press, and students for years, and teachers too, have been making faces out of nature items. I will show you next a few pictures that have been done by some of the teachers in the past and some of the students. Enjoy! I hope you'll send pictures of your creations to Highland Press. See you later.